When you are inserting data into a table and you encounter the error ORA-01950, no privileges on table space users, that this happens because you don't have the necessary privileges to insert rows into that table. To fix the error, you need to connect to the database using a user with appropriate privileges to grant insert permissions. Use the following statement: alter user name of the user, quota unlimited, on put the table space. Run the script, and that's it. Now you can insert data into a table.